So what tools do you really need to build a 7-figure commercial cleaning company, or one that just runs on its own? Well, you may be surprised, there's not very many that you need, and that's what you're gonna see in this video right here is what is our tech stack? What does it look like inside of our commercial cleaning company? Because there's really only 6 different tools that you need. You don't need 20 different apps to run your business. All you need is just a few to do some key things to have them set up right so that your company runs well. And that's what you're gonna get in this video. And if you don't know who I am, my name is Matt. I'm a 7-figure commercial cleaning CEO. Our company takes less than 5 hours a week to own and to run. So I spend time helping you do this. And we started from zero. So we know what it's like to build a company through the phases. And so that's why we make videos like this to help you do the same. All right, so we're not gonna be super fancy in this video. We're gonna dive right in with number 1. What is the tool that you must have inside of your commercial cleaning company in order to really scale? The first one is going to be a janitorial management software. Sorry for my handwriting, trying to cram it in right there. So these types of softwares provide tracking. They provide clock in and clock out tracking. They provide payroll help and support. They provide how to manage quality. They should have inspection features inside of it. They should be able to allow you to take photos of certain areas, to use QR codes to capture client feedback for certain areas. And they're really designed to automate the day-to-day implementation of providing services to your clients. Now, inside of our commercial cleaning company, we, at the time of filming this video, use CleanSmart. So if you don't have one, go check out CleanSmart, use the code CEO10, there we go, and you will get some savings immediately on it. Also, to be clear, that does support the channel, so thank you if you choose to do it. And of course, there are plenty of other options out there that you can check out. CleanSmart has just been our favorite, especially for the cost. And if you want any help building out your CleanSmart, check out the links down below where we can actually give you exactly what we do inside of ours and how we structure it. All right, so to lay the context for number 2, another thing that we call janitorial management software is we just simply call it our ops software, because number 2 is going to be our growth software. And this is simply called a CRM, which is Customer Relationship Management System. Some people also call it marketing automation. And the software that we use in our company is based on GoHighLevel, often called GHL. Now, the neat thing with GoHighLevel is that we have been able to implement janitorial style systems into it, and then we copy and paste that into each of our clients that we help who are building their commercial cleaning companies. So you can, of course, use the links down below, sign up for GoHighLevel. It does support the channel. Thank you if you choose to do that. Or if you do decide to use the other links down below and work with us directly to scale your commercial cleaning company, then we actually give you an entirely built out system with all the automations and everything that you need. But in essence, a CRM is there to help you with growth, to help you with tracking which clients do I want to follow up with this month, or prospects, which clients might need some special attention, and therefore we're going to put them on the schedule for follow-up for maybe some management attention. What are we going to do as far as email blasts? Or are we doing a newsletter? Or are we going to automate any sort of email drips that are going on? We can also do mass messaging as far as text messaging. I do know that the GoHighLevel also has a phone feature you can use for setting up for cold calling and managing it all in one place. There's calendars and scheduling and all the things that you need in order to grow your commercial cleaning business should be found in a CRM system. Again, we use GoHighLevel. Now, our private janitorial version is called something else, but that's the system behind it. And just like the ops software or janitorial management software, there are tons. There's even more CRMs that are out there. The core things you want to be sure that you can do is track your leads, send notifications to someone whenever they request a quote, and then be able to send out emails and communicate well with your clients and take care of scheduling. And an important distinction when I say scheduling there is I don't mean like scheduling cleanings. This is more like scheduling quote appointments. Scheduling cleanings and having a schedule that's managed there would be your janitorial management software. And I hear a lot of times where people are trying to find something that is an all-in-one and just has all these things, or like especially the growth and the ops merged together. We have not found anything that really does that well. They're usually very good at one thing and really rough at the others. And you don't want to do that to your business. So it is worth letting things do what they are great at. You just don't want 20 of them, right? But we've summed them up into these 6 things so that you don't have to have all those different apps out there. All right, number 3 is you must have some sort of accounting software. This is something you really don't want to mess up. We use QuickBooks Online for our commercial cleaning company. Again, link down below, supports the channel. Thank you very much if you choose to do that. But you can use other lower cost versions like Wave and others. I think Bench may also offer it. There's tons of them out there. Just general business accounting services online. Now, the reason that I personally like and I prefer to use QuickBooks Online is because bookkeepers across the world are familiar with it. It's not one of those where it's a newer one and people got to figure it out and how it all functions. It's got tons of automations in it and integrations with other softwares. And if you want to get really fancy with it, you can. Or if you want to keep it super simple, you can. It is going to be a little bit more pricey, but it does great at what it does. It can connect straight to your bank account and you're able to have it automatically categorize your transactions, and you can really quickly pull up reports and see how your business is doing. So, and there's tons of trainings online too for how to use QuickBooks. So that's what we use for our accounting software, but you've got to have something that is worthy of being presented to a CPA. So what you don't want to do is have something on a spreadsheet or on a really cheap software that's not meant for accounting, and then you get audited by the IRS, right? Or you mess up your taxes, right? You want to be sure that you treat it like an official company. When you go to potentially sell your commercial cleaning company, congratulations if you do. If you want to retire and take a big chunk of change with you while you do it, then if you've been using QuickBooks, that's a major trust signal during that process. Number 4 is a digital phone. This was a game changer for us when we first started using digital phone numbers inside of our commercial cleaning company, because of course you can go out and get a physical phone and trade that around for whoever wants it. But the great aspects, there's many great ones that come with digital phones is, for example, we just had someone move into a management role inside of our company, and then we also had someone move out of that management role who wanted to stay. They just didn't like the management stuff. So what we did is we were able to just move that digital phone number to the number on the new person's cell phone and take it off the others. And we use RingCentral for this, by the way. So with RingCentral, we can also have a laptop for them, and their phone can work on their laptop. They can text from it, and it shows up on their phone as well. They can call from their laptop, call from their phone. It's all synced up, all in one place. This is what I personally use. I've loved it. Of course, I was mentioning that GoHighLevel, for example, does have text messaging features in it, as well as a phone system in it. We just started using RingCentral before we transitioned to GoHighLevel, and I've loved RingCentral. And if we were to make a change, we would deeply experiment with the one inside of GoHighLevel. But this has allowed us to, for example, with that transition of the manager, they can also see the past conversations that have gone on with employees from those records, right? So they don't got to just pick up from a blank slate. They get to understand what's been going on. Also, employees, whenever they call that management number, it now goes to the right person. You can do routing, you can do all kinds of automations and recording calls and everything with a digital number. It's not extremely expensive to use it, but check out their different plans if you want to check out RingCentral. There's others like Dialpad, and Cricket and things like that, but we found that RingCentral has been the best for us. Again, check out the links down below. If it supports the channel, appreciate it. Number 5 is a payroll software. This is a biggie. This is one where I almost got into extremely hot water with the first business I ever owned. I didn't know about payroll burden and tax liabilities and everything. That I didn't know it costs more money to pay somebody than what they actually got paid, right? So for example, if you pay someone $15 an hour, it may actually cost you like $17 or $18 to pay someone $15. And that's because of all the payroll stuff on the backsides that employers have to match and everything. Using a payroll service, or especially a payroll software, will completely handle that. It's worth it. We started off using Paychex. We now outsource it to someone. They use something called Patriot software. It's really good, very simple. It's pretty low cost. And then you've also got ones like ADP. But either way, find a payroll software. I know that QuickBooks Online also offers it. The thing with QuickBooks though, and this may be different, but at the time when I almost got into hot water, I was experimenting with the QuickBooks Online software with payroll. And it's more of one where a do-it-yourself type person would do it who really knows what they're doing still. So I would encourage you either get a lot of training if you're going to go the QuickBooks One route, or just outsource it to somebody or use a software that's dedicated entirely and completely to doing payroll. They'll also have your reports that you have to provide for your tax purposes, and they'll take care of the withholdings and it's all the legal stuff and all other things that you do not want to mess up. So a payroll software is absolutely essential. And then number 6 is actually using a background check software. For our background checks, we currently use SureCheck. Check it out in the links down below. There's all kinds of different softwares out there, but the background checks, especially with SureChecks, they have a very thorough process. It does take a little bit more time sometimes for it to come back, but it's because it's checking all of the proper registries. You'll have some that say, oh, you'll get it back in minutes or within a couple hours, and sometimes they do come back that fast with SureChecks. But with those that are constantly really fast, they're not as thorough, and that leaves you vulnerable should a regulator come to you because of a lawsuit from an employee or the federal government do anything with you, right? We just don't want to mess up there. So using something like SureChecks to run your background checks, and it records it and reports it, and they take on a portion of the liability too for any mistakes. So they own it with you so that you aren't just exposed and out there all alone. They can support you. That is so important, is making sure that your employees that you put out there are properly allowed to be in the facilities that they're going into, especially when you get into the medical world and government and all of that, and banking. Also too, if you're using subcontractors, having a background check ran on the owner, as well as them providing it from their employees. They can run it through your system, same deal, but making sure that the people in the field should be out there on your team, or that they shouldn't be and they should be somewhere else. So there you have it. This is the tech stack that we use to reach 7 figures. And of course, there's other tools we've used, and there's other ones that we still use today as far as AI and everything like that. But if I were to distill it down to the core essential tech stack that you would need to get to 7 figures, this is it. So if you want help getting on the path to 7 figures, check out the links down below where we can take your commercial cleaning company, optimize it, help it run on a lot less time, help you get your life back, and growing quickly once again. Thanks so much for watching. Again, my name is Matt, your 7-figure commercial cleaning CEO. If you found this video helpful, please share it with someone, like, subscribe, and until next time, keep building.